In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the not linked section in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. This section is often an underrated tool that can significantly enhance the way you organize your website pages. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're in, navigate to your site panel. Here, you'll see a bunch of options, but what we want to focus on is clicking on the website section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section gives you access to all the behind-the-scenes elements of your website. Next, locate the Pages tab. You'll find this prominently displayed in the navigation menu. Clicking on Pages will bring you to an overview of every page on your site. This is where we can really start to organize how each page is shared with your audience, or kept behind the scenes, as we'll see shortly. In the Pages section, you'll want to focus on the Not Linked section. This area is critical because it's where you store pages that aren't directly connected to your site navigation. This is useful for portfolio pieces, landing pages, or anything else you don't want immediately front and center. To add a page here, simply click the plus icon that appears when you hover over the Not Linked section. After clicking the plus icon, you have the option to choose between creating a blank page or using a pre-made layout. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Blank pages offer a fresh canvas, while the pre-made layouts give you a helpful starting point. Once selected, you'll have a new page ready to be customized. If you're working with many pages, organization becomes key. To keep things in order, use drop-down folders to group related pages. This makes the not linked section easier to navigate, not just for you, but for anyone else who might be managing the site. To create a folder, hover over the not linked heading, click the plus icon, and select folder. You can then drag and drop pages into these folders as needed. Flexibility is a hallmark of Squarespace, and that's evident here. You can easily drag and drop pages between the not linked section and your main navigation menus as it suits your site's needs. This helps in managing how your audience experiences your site, providing access to what truly matters. At any point, you can click the title of any page in this section to open it in the Fluid Engine editor. Here, you can design your page using the versatile grid system, which allows for a high degree of customization. A particularly handy feature of the Fluid Engine is the ability to design mobile layouts separately from desktop layouts, ensuring your site looks great on any device. And there you have it. This is how you can expertly manage the not linked section in Squarespace 7.1 using the Fluid Engine. This tool can be a game changer for your site's organization and functionality. Happy designing, and thanks for watching.